Hello, and welcome to Invention Mention. Today, I will be discussing the invention of the airplane. The airplane was a very revolutionary invention because it allows for the transportation of people, goods, and services. Airplanes can be used as crop dusters, machines for map making, and they are also used for military transportation. Most people believe that the first airplane was created by the Wright brothers, called the Wright Flyer. But some people argue that the brothers did not create the first airplane. Another group that could have made the first airplane were Alberto Santos Dumont of Connecticut. The airplane was called the 14 BIS, which stands for 14 Encore. Okay, time for pros versus cons. Let's get started with the pros of the airplane. Some pros of the airplane is that goods and people can be transported to remote locations, travel time was shortened, and crop dusters were used to help fertilize farmland and plant seeds. But there were also cons of using the airplanes. Some of the cons were that there was a lot of air pollution and land pollution produced by the airplanes. Lots of money was lost for the first drafts of airplanes or failed attempts. And there were lots of deaths from the airplanes that failed. Okay, and now let's move on to question quiz. First question. Did you know the early airplanes were designed to mimic a bird's flapping motion in their wings? Second question. Do you think airplanes will exist in 20 years? Third question. How can airplanes be improved upon? For question number 2, do you think airplanes will exist in 20 years? I think airplanes will exist in 20 years because airplanes are always used by transportation of goods and services, fire and rescue, and military transport. And for question number 3, how can airplanes be improved upon? I think airplanes are always being improved upon, but the designers of the airplanes should try to make the airplanes faster, but still safe, and cheaper so more people can use airplanes to travel, especially if they are in unsafe areas and need to go somewhere else, like if they're in wars. Thank you for watching Invention Mention. Tune back next time for another invention. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Comment down below what you want the next invention to be. Bye!